Hi friends, it's Rahul here welcoming you all to this new episode of Daiji Global Pan Vision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headlines. Transport Authority seized 25 private buses for violating colour code rule. Renowned magician Kudroli Ganesh backs accolades at the International Magic Convention. Madrasas start training school dropouts to take SSLC exams in and around Mangalore. And in our entertainment bash, we have a Tulu song, a Konkani dance and a melodious old Konkani number. The news in detail. Private buses have been the lifeline of the coastal districts. It is mostly owing to the presence of these private buses that Udupi and Dakshina Kannada districts can boast of the most organized and best transport systems not only in the state but perhaps at the national level too. But there are instances when they have become a menace for the public. In order to regulate their inordinate plying, Mangalore RTO recently decided to mark them with 3 different colour codes and specified their entry into particular zones. But some buses have been plying without this code. Having come to know about this, transport authorities led by RTO Sadashiv seized 25 buses on Wednesday, May 21st. Regional Transport Authorities seized a total of 25 passenger buses which are plying in the city for violating the transport rules on Wednesday, May 21st. Regional Transport Officers started the operation on cracking down on these buses on Wednesday morning with the help of traffic police. These buses have been parked in the premises of Police Training School at Pandeshwar. Speaking to Daijiworld, RTO Sadashiv said that these buses were seized as per the Motor Vehicles Act. The court will decide future courses of action against these buses, he added.
We have seized about 25 stage carriages plying within this notified area, that is in between Hampankatta and State Bank area. Already we have notified that the buses covered with valid permits, they should produce the permits and get this distinguished color code to them. Accordingly, about 722 vehicles plying within this notified area, that is Hampankatta area, they got this color code Valaya 1, Zone 1. And remaining others, those who are not permitted as per permit, they got this Valaya 2, that is Kankanadi permit. RTA has already given a strict instruction that the permits, those vehicles not covered with permit to ply within this notified area, they should not enter this Hampankatta area.
Sources inform that a total of 82 buses are plying in the city violating transport rules. Hence, the operation against these buses will be continued on Thursday also, sources added. Transport authorities had decided to affix different kinds of stickers to buses in order to easily identify such buses which are plying violating the transport rules. The deadline given to affix stickers was ended on May 7th. Many stage carriage buses were plying in the city even after this cut-off date without affixing the stickers. Therefore, these buses have been seized. RTO defended this act.
Like that, we have extended the time up to May 7th, fix up this color code and all that. Today, we have checked all the vehicles, those who have not covered with this color code and all that.
The conductors and drivers of these seized buses were jobless for Wednesday for the mistakes committed by the owners of these buses. They had to spend their whole day at Police Training School premises where the buses are parked. That's a good and daring step taken by the RTO to bring private buses under regulation. If everything goes on as planned, it will really be a boon to the transport system of Dakshina Kannada. Well-known magician Kudroli Ganesh secured 2 prizes in the International Magic Convention Vismayam 2008, organized by the Kerala Magic Academy and Kerala Tourism Department, held recently at Thiruvananthapuram. We have an exclusive report on this. Well-known magician Kudroli Ganesh secured 2 prizes in the International Magic Convention Vismayam 2008, organized by Kerala Magic Academy and Kerala Tourism Department, held recently at Thiruvananthapuram. Speaking to media persons on Wednesday, May 21st, Kudroli Ganesh said that he had bagged the prizes in Best Entertainer and Close-Up Magic Show categories. He performed Harikatha Magic in the Best Entertainer category, which turned out to be an awesome show, much applauded by the viewers, he informed.
ಒಣಗಿದ ಮರವನ್ನು ಚಿಗುರಿಸಬಲ್ಲೆ ಚಿಗುರಿದ ಮರವನ್ನು ಒಣಗಿಸಬಲ್ಲೆ ಇರುಳಂ ಪಗಳಂ ಮಾಡಲು ಬಲ್ಲೆ ಪಗಳಂ ಇರುಳಂ ಮಾಡಲು ಬಲ್ಲೆ ಶೂನ್ಯದಿ ಭೂಮಲು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಬಲ್ಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮಹಾಬಲು ಮಾಡಲು ಬಲ್ಲೆ ಗೋವಿಂದನ ದಯದಿಂದಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಲೀಗ ಬಲ್ಲೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮಾಡಲೀಗ ಬಲ್ಲೆ ಒಣಗಿದ ಮರವನ್ನು ಚಿಗುರಿಸಬಲ್ಲೆ ಚಿಗುರಿದ ಮರವನ್ನು ಒಣಗಿಸಬಲ್ಲೆ ಇರುಳಂ ಪಗಳಂ ಮಾಡಲು ಬಲ್ಲೆ ಪಗಳಂ ಇರುಳಂ ಮಾಡಲು ಬಲ್ಲೆ ಶೃಂಗೇರಿ ಹೂವನ್ನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಬಲ್ಲೆ ಅಗ್ರವ ಹಾವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲು ಬಲ್ಲೆ ಗೋವಿಂದನ ದಯದಿಂದಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಲೀಗ ಬಲ್ಲೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮಾಡಲೀಗ ಬಲ್ಲೆ.
He performed Tulunadu Tudar Chendu in close-up category by singing Tulu folk songs, known in colloquial terms as Pardana. Eminent magicians Ice McDonald of America, Mirko of Argentina, Marshall of Spain, George Blas of South Africa and Fukai of Japan were the jurors of this competition, Ganesh informed. Former Transport Minister of Kerala, Shaktan, presented him the prizes that included a cash award of rupees 10,000 for each category and certificates, he informed.
ವಿಸ್ಮಯಂ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಈ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಜಾದೂ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನ ಈ ಭಾರತದ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧವಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಜಾದೂ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನ. ಇದು 1998ರಲ್ಲಿ 2000 ಈಗ 8 ವರ್ಷದ ನಂತರ 2008ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಸಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸುಮಾರು 1,000 ಜನ ಜಾದೂಗಾರರು ಭಾರತದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಗಳಿಂದ, ಯಾವುದೇ ರಾಜ್ಯದಿಂದ ಹೊರತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸುಮಾರು 12 ದೇಶಗಳಿಂದ ಯಕ್ಷಣಿಗಾರರು ಬಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
He presented Harikatha magic for 7 minutes at the press club, much to the delight of media persons.
ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಪ್ಪ ನನಗೆ ತೊಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಪ್ಪಮ್ಮ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸೇರಿ ಈ ಅವರ ಹುಡುಗನನ್ನು ಈ ತೊಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಕೂರಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಹುಡುಗ ತೊಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಅಪ್ಪಮ್ಮ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಈ ತೊಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ದ ಹುಡುಗ ಯಾವುದೋ ಕ್ಷಣದಿಂದ ತೊಟ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಳಿದು ಸೇರಿದಂತ ಜನರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಸೇರಿ ಹಾಣೆ ಎನ್ನ ಮೋರೆಯ ಕೇಳು ನೀನು ಶಕ್ತಿ ನೀನು ಭಗವಂತನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗನನ್ನು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡುವಂತ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಕಣ್ಣು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೈಯನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇಬ್ಬರ ಕೈಯ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಬಾಲಕ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ. ಬಣ್ಣದ ಲೋಕವು ಈ ಜಾತ್ರೆಯು ಬಣ್ಣದ ಲೋಕವು.
It is evident that the literacy rate among the Muslims is much below the national average. There might be various reasons for impediments to education, but several institutions in the city are trying to break these barriers by extending a helping hand to dropouts of not only the Muslim community but even those of other communities who have not appeared for the SSLC examinations. Talent Research Foundation, Islamic Friends Foundation, Dini Friends Kannur and Boys Service Forum are among the prominent who have understood the need for the education of the younger generation. Addressing media persons in the premises of Janatul Ulum Madrasa Committee near Kundal here on May 21st, Abdul Rauf, Director of Talent Research Foundation, said that Islam has given priority to the education of both men and women, but there is a lack of awareness among the people. He also added that with the consent of Maulvis of local mosques, Talent Research Foundation, with the assistance of other like-minded groups, is facilitating dropouts to pursue SSLC in madrasas by imparting education for girls in daytime and for boys in the evening. Janatul Ulum Madrasa Committee, which came into existence 10 years ago, was confined to religious teaching. In 2005-2006, it started free training classes for the dropout students and 20 girls appeared for the SSLC exams, of which 7 passed. Imran, a beneficiary of the program and president of Islamic Friends Foundation, informed that in the previous SSLC examination, a total of 19 boys out of 33 trained in Bengre Kasaba area passed their exams. He opined that education is a must for all and the foundation is a learning shelter for dropouts, those working who still want to be educated. He also informed that those who have undergone training in Bengre Kasaba madrasas are pursuing their higher education. On the occasion, President of the Madrasa Abdul Qadir, S. Mohammed, D.H. Abdul Salam Perne, Shabir Ahmed, Mohammad Parvez, Riaz, Rauf, Hamid Kannur and students were present. With this, we have come to the end of our today's news section. What we will do now is take a short break. When we come back, we will bring you entertainment in abundance. So stay tuned to TV Daijiworld.
Apurva for Aptland.
Inland builders have been a pioneer in the creation of ultra-modern residential and commercial development in Mangalore and Bangalore. With ongoing projects in Mangalore like Inland Ornate, Inland Avenue, Inland Eminence, Inland Evoke, Premium Luxury Apartments, Kankanadi, Mangalore, and in Bangalore, Inland Everglades, Inland Ilanza. Shortly, Inland Builders are launching Mangalore's first international standard apartment complex at Mary Hill Airport Road, Mangalore, known as Inland Windsors. A modern grand structure of 23 floors, 230 super luxury apartments with facilities like garbage chute, multi-purpose hall with shuttle and squash court, supermarket, jogging track, table tennis, gym, swimming pool, TV room, etc. Bookings open. Inland Builders, Mangalore, phone 2496110.